Hi friends, how are you? I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Welcome to LeonsBD after a week. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the latest version of Libre Office. MS Office is a paid tool, but you will avail all the features like MS Office in Libre Office, and Libre Office is totally free. Okay, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. And without any further ado, let's get started. In Google, you will write latest version of LibreOffice and then hit enter. Download LibreOffice. So click on this link. See, LibreOffice 7.3.5. This is the latest version. Okay, so this downloading link will be available in my description box. If any updated version arrives, then that link will be updated accordingly. Okay, so choose your operating system. From here you can choose your own operating system. My one is Windows 64-bit. Then just click on download. See, the link has been started downloading already. Okay, see, LibreOffice 7.3.5 is 332 MB, and in my downloading speed it takes 4 minutes to download. So I'm waiting until it's downloaded. Okay, see, the file has been downloaded. So what you have to do, right click, show in folder. Okay, see, LibreOffice 7.3.5, just double click on it. Welcome to the installation wizard for LibreOffice 7.3.5.2. Just click on next. Choose the setup type that best suits your needs. Okay, so typical is selected by default. Just click on next. Okay, create a shortcut on desktop. It is by default there have a tick mark. So if you don't want to keep a shortcut on desktop, just remove the tick mark from here. I want to create a shortcut on desktop, so I am giving tick mark here. And another option is load LibreOffice during system startup. That means when you start your computer, the LibreOffice 7.3.5 will be loaded automatically. Okay, so I don't want to do that, so I'm keeping it as it is. Then just click on install. Okay, the installation has been started. Okay, this is LibreOffice 7.3.5. okay, I'm going to start from here, all apps. Then I'll go for L for LibreOffice. See, LibreOffice 7.3. If I click on this drop down menu, see, here you will find all the tools of LibreOffice. See, LibreOffice Writer, LibreOffice Math, LibreOffice Impress, LibreOffice Draw, LibreOffice Calc, LibreOffice Base. Okay, here I'm opening LibreOffice 7.3.5. so LibreOffice is being opened. This is actually LibreOffice Writer. This is word processing software like MS Word. So this is LibreOffice Writer. Okay, for opening a blank document, file, from here, new, text document. Tip of the day, I'm closing it. I'm full screening. This is 20%, I'm making it 100%. So this is the interface of LibreOffice Writer. So yeah, this is how you can download and install the latest version of LibreOffice. If any new version arrives, then the link available in the description box will be updated accordingly. Okay, so yeah, that's it. ভিডিও কি বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে দেখো? হ্যাঁ না হুম
অনেক নাই